Bulbul. Welcome to Bulbul's Creation. Recently, I have celebrated my daughter's second birthday. For her birthday, I have chosen underwater theme. I have made two videos. In first video, I will show where I have decorated what, and in the second video, I will share how I just cut the papers and how I have arranged everything. Let's start with entrance.
Outside of the entrance door, I have kept one blackboard and written what kind of party was there. Top of it, I have hung 3 jellyfishes which I have designed differently. First one I have designed with shower cap and happy birthday streamer. Second one with blue ribbon. Third one with cloth. The entrance I have designed one big jellyfish which was made up of 18 into 24 inches of blue construction paper. Entrance wall full with green plant and fishes. Living area covered with multicolor fishes and plants. Balloon fishes are kept in top of the blind of balcony door. Fishes are made up of balloons, googly eyes and construction papers. You can see starfishes are covered with jellyfishes. I placed one battery lamp on the center for brightness. You can see all the lovely colors of the fishes which made up of construction papers. I have done table decoration and wall decoration in the dining area. Table decoration has done according to theme. Table decoration has divided into 2 parts. First one is the front part and second one is the top part. For front part decoration, I have used floral mesh, starfishes and bows. Top part is decorated with mocktail, return gifts, cakes, snacks, different kind of stones with underwater animals. To give complete underwater look, I have designed 2 coral reefs each side, 2 floral mesh for water and circles for bubbles. Circles are made from construction papers. I have used small sea animals toy to complete the look. I have cut some small circles out of construction papers, attach them with the strings and fix it with roof. You can see some pom-pom flowers in between. This is my daughter's second birthday, so I have designed 2 and placed it down the name banner. 2 is made up of cardboard and designed with sand and different kind of flowers and shells. A is the initial letter of my daughter's name. I have purchased the wooden one and decorated that with different kind of flowers with the help of glue. I have taken few ideas from Pinterest, some of my own and few are them of my friend. Rest I will share in my next video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos.